Hey, what's up everyone? Doctor here. Welcome to my new video. I heard you guys are facing some problem with Capcut. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the problem. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel so I can be motivated and make more videos like this. So let's start the video. As you can see, no effects and transition is working here. Now follow my lead and don't skip the video. I'll show you what you have to do, step by step. Download Capcut from anywhere you like. After download the app, use Turbo VPN. I'm using the free-to-use version here. Download the app from Play Store or App Store. All you need to do is turn on the VPN and use the app. As you can see, I'm using the app without any issue. Download the app from Play Store or App Store, or you can download the app from the pinned comment. Thank you for watching the video. If the video was helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like and a comment. And subscribe the channel. It'll be a great help to the channel. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel so I can be motivated and make more videos like this.